Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a WhatsApp backup on the Realme 14 Pro 5G. Okay, so let's begin. First thing, simply go into the WhatsApp. In here, simply top right corner, those three dots, and then click on settings. Scroll down a little bit into the chats and find the chat backup. Okay, in here, Google account, simply select your Google account that you want to create backup on, or if you don't have one, simply click on add account. Okay, also automatic backups, you can simply pick here in what period of time the backup automatically will be made, so you can start off from daily to weekly to monthly, or only when I tap backup, I'll pick the weekly mode. Okay, also you can enable the videos, and at the bottom you have end-to-end encrypted backup. You can turn it on also, and basically you'll create a password and without it you can be able to restore the backup. So simply click on create password, and here you can create a one, and the app will want you to type this password when you try to restore the backup. Okay, so now simply click on backup, this green button, and wait. Okay, it's not gonna take much time. Okay, the process is finished, and that's how you create a backup. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.